Here's how you can unarchive chats in Telegram. If you accidentally archive a conversation, don't worry. You can always restore it. I'll show you how to do this on both iPhone and Android. First, open the Telegram app. To archive a chat, simply swipe left on it and tap Archive. If you do this by mistake, an undo button will appear at the bottom right of the screen. Tapping it will immediately restore the chat. If the chat is already archived, you'll find an Archive Chats section at the top of your chat list. Tap on it to view all archived conversations. From here, you have a couple of options to unarchive a chat. You can swipe left on a specific conversation and tap the Unarchive button. Alternatively, tap the three-dot menu, select Chats, and choose multiple conversations if needed. Then tap the Unarchive button at the bottom of the screen. Once done, the chats will return to your main conversation list, and that's it. You're all set. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.